struggling with math? Let's make it easy and ace your math exams with step-by-step guidance. Hi, I am Tariq Hashim, a math teacher with years of experience teaching GCSE, IGCSE and A-level mathematics. And welcome to my channel, your gateway to math excellence. On this channel, I'll share clear explanations of key math concepts, tips to ace your exams and build confidence, practice questions aligned with GCSE, IGCSE and A-levels, and much more to support your journey in mastering mathematics. I also conduct online workshops and create custom exam preparation sessions, all tailored to help students like you to achieve top results. And you don't want to miss that. So, hit the subscribe button and join me in this exciting journey. And let's make math your strongest subject. See you in the next video.